Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed concept of matrices up to multiplication of two matrices completed. Now in that concept related problems I am going to discuss now. In level 1, first question. See the first problem, what they are given. Aij. Here Aij, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 3i minus 2j given. Next, so now we need to construct a matrix Aij, that is 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 matrix we can write like this, that is A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 means first row, first column element. A21 means second row, first column element. Okay, this is the matrix A. But here, small condition given. By using this condition, I am going to find A11. So here observe that, compare both. I value is 1, J value is 1. Substitute in this condition. 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1. Students, calculate this. How much we get? 1 by 2. So A11 value, these values should be 1 by 2. See here, where is 1 by 2? Here, here. Here not there, here also not there. So third and fourth option is wrong. Next, A12. Compare both. I value should be 1, J value should be 1, 2. Now substitute those values. 3 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Overall, calculate this. How much we get? Minus 1 by 2. See here, A12 value minus 1 by 2. See here, minus 1 by 2. Here there is no minus 1 by 2. Finally, we are identified the answer, that is second option. But we need to find the remaining also. A21, 1 by 2 into 3 into I means 2 minus 2 into J means 1. Calculate this. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 by 2, that is 2. A22, how much we get, students? 1 by 2 into 3 into 2 minus 2 into 2. Overall, observe this, we get answer 1. So finally, what is the matrix A? A11 value 1 by 2, 1 2 minus 1 by 2. This is 2, this is 1. This is the answer. Students, all of you understood now? The two matrices given, the two matrices are equal. Now equate them corresponding elements. Now I am going to equate first column, first element. That value should be 0. Next, 2y plus x is equal to minus 7. Next, z minus 1 is equal to 3. Next, 4a minus z, that is equal to 2a. So one by one we want to calculate. First I am going to calculate this. X is equal to minus 3. We got x value. Those x value substitute here. 2y minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Then 2y is equal to minus 4. Then y value is how much, students? Minus 2. Minus 2. But we need to find z value. See here, z minus 1 is equal to 3. then z is equal to 4 or not. Those z values substitute here. 4a minus 4, that is equal to 2a. Now 2a send left hand side, 4a minus 2a, 2a, 4 send right hand side. Then finally a value should be 2. So what we need to find? X plus y plus z plus a. What is x value? Minus 3. Y value minus 2. Z value 4. A value 2. Observe that total calculation. How much you are getting answer? 1. 1. So which option correct? Third option. Next question. Here a minus 2b is equal to one matrix given, and 2a minus 3b is equal to another matrix. Then find b. How to find b? So we need b means eliminate a. Eliminate a. Observe that both the equations, here a is there, here 2a is there. We want to equate them both. So first equation I am writing a minus 2b, that is equal to how much? 1 minus 2, 3, 0. In this equation, multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. Then what happened? 2 into a, 2a, minus 4b, that is equal to, in matrix also each and every element multiply with 2. 2 minus 4, 6, 0. This is first equation. Same like that, second equation, see, already given second equation, 2a minus 3b is equal to minus 3, 3, 1, minus 1. Now both we want to subtract. That means here minus, plus, minus. At the time these two is going to cancel. Minus 4b plus 3b, that is minus b, is equal to. Now subtract these two. 2 minus of minus 3 plus 3, that is 5. Yes or no? Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. 6 minus 1, 5. 0 minus of minus plus 1. This is minus b value. Then what is b? Minus sign right hand side. Each and every element, the sign is going to change. So b value we are getting minus 5, 7, minus 5, minus 1. Students, which option correct? Second option correct. Students, are you understood how I got b value? By eliminating a, then automatically we get b value. I 1001, B 01 minus 10, and C cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Then C is equal to, in terms of I and B, we need to write. Students, how to write this? Here, different terms are there, cos and sin. See, C is equal to, cos theta is there. So I am writing like this. 1 into cos theta plus 0 into sin theta. It is correct or not? After calculation, you will get cos theta. Next, 0 into cos theta plus 1 into sin theta. Next, second row, first column element, 0 into cos theta minus 1 into sin theta. Next, 1 into cos theta plus 0 into sin theta. This is C matrix. Now split. I am going to write first cos theta coefficients. Cos theta coefficients 1, 0, 0, 1 plus sin theta coefficients. Sin theta coefficients. What are they? 0, 1, minus 1, 0. This is cos theta into 1, 0, 0, 1 means what? I plus sin theta into 0, 1 minus 1 into 0. That is how much? B. Finally, C is equal to, we can write I cos theta plus B sin theta. This is the answer. Students, which option correct? I cos theta plus B sin theta. First option correct. Students, are you understood? I'll go verification method. I and B value substitute in options. Which option is getting C matrix? That is the correct. A matrix, B matrix given, and 3A plus 5B plus 2X is equal to 0. Then X is equal to, right here, 3A plus 5B plus 2X is equal to 0. 2X is equal to minus of 3A plus 5B. Okay. Now minus 3A. A matrix 9143 is there. Multiply with 3. Then what happened? 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Plus 5B. B matrix multiply with 5 each and every element. Then what happened? 5, 25, 30, 55. Yes or no? Now these two matrices add the corresponding elements. 27 plus 5, 32, 28, 42. Next 9 plus 55, 64, 64. This is 2x. Then in right hand side, in matrix, each and every element take 2 common. 2 common. 2 16s are, 2 14s are, 2 21s are, 2 32s. This is 2x value, but we need only x, 2 to cancel. X is equal to, multiply with minus each and every element, minus 16, minus 14, minus 21, minus 32. This is the answer. Which option correct, student? Third option. This is easy problem only. Here Ka, one matrix given, Ka, and that is equal to how much? 0, 3A, 2B, 24. Then here we need to find KAB value. K into A, multiply, K into 0, 0. Next 2K, next 3K, next minus 4K, that is equal to 0, 3A, 3K, sorry, 3A, 2B, 2B, next 24. Now equate the corresponding elements. 2K, that is equal to 3A. This is one. Next 3K, that is equal to 2B. Next minus 4K, that is equal to 24. By observing this, we get k value. How much? -6. Now here k value substitute. 2 into -6 is equal to 3a. Now 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Finally, what is a value? -4 is equal to a. -4 is equal to a. Next, 3 k means -6, that is equal to 2b. 2 3s are 6. Then -9 is equal to b. -9 is equal to b. What they are asking first, see the order. See the order, this is important. Okay. First they are asking k value -6, a value -4, b value -9. So -6, -4, -9, that is the answer. Third option, correct. See the next question. Multiplication of matrices. When the two matrices exist for multiplication, the number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. For suppose A matrix order m by n, B matrix order n by k. So here these two are equal means the multiplication will be exist. After multiplication, what we are getting the matrix order, that is m by k. Okay. Now see here, they are given matrix 1, 2, 3 and B, that is equal to 3, 4. What is the matrix order B? Let B matrix order, I am taking m by n. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 means what is the matrix order here? One row, 3 columns. And B matrix order already I am taken, that is m by n. So after multiplication, how much we got? 1 by 2. See, what are the conditions here? First of all, first these two are equal, then only matrix multiplication is exist. So we got m is equal to 3. After multiplication, what we are getting order? 1 by n, that is equal to 1 by 2 or not? So compare these two. What is matrix order n? That is 2. Finally, B matrix order, what I am taken? M by n. That means what is m? 3. What is n? 2. So B matrix order. How much? 3 by 2. Second option correct. How to solve this? If a matrix has 13 elements, then possible dimensions are orders of the matrix. For suppose if the matrix has 4 elements, I am taking example, 4 elements. The 4 elements I am taking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 elements. How many number of matrices possible? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is row matrix. What is order? 1 by 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is column matrix. 4 rows, 1 column. Next, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 3 matrices possible. See here, What are the orders? 1 by 4, 4 by 1, 2 by 2. So here observe that, do the multiplication. 1 into 4, 4. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2, 4. How many elements are there here? 4 elements. We need to write multiples 4 when it is possible. Okay, students. But here, what is that 13? How to write? Tell me answer. 1 by 13. 13 by 1. Only 2 chances. Only 2 chances. What is the correct answer? First option. If in case you have 10 elements, 10 elements, what are the orders of the matrices? 1 into 10, 2 into 5, 5 into 2, 10 into 1. These are the matrix orders. Are you understood? Right. So I'm going to next question, students. See the next question. 9th question. Two matrices given. Two matrices given, A and B. These two matrices, multiplication exist or not? If they are exist, both are equal or not, we need to observe. See, what is the A matrix order? A matrix order, how much? 2 rows, 3 columns. Then B matrix order, how much? 3 rows, 2 columns. After multiplication, what we are getting matrix order, tell me? After multiplication, these two equal or not? Now we get matrix multiplication, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, this is AB. Now observe the BA. First write the B matrix. B matrix order 3 by 2 and A matrix order 2 by 3. You see that 2 2 equal matrix multiplication is exist. After multiplication, what we are getting the matrix? That is 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, when the two matrices are equal, the two matrices having same order, but here 2 by 2, here 3 by 3. AB, BA matrices both are not equal. So finally, what is the answer? AB, comma, BA exist and are not equal. Both are not equal now. Both are exist for multiplication. AB and BA both are exist, but both the matrices are not equal. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. When the two matrices are equal, the two matrices having the same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Here order is the different. How can we say that the two matrices are equal? So multiplication is exist AB and BA, but both are not equal. So here m less than n given. After multiplication of two matrices, we are getting m square plus n square is equal to 25. This condition is satisfied only second and third option. But they are asking m comma n and m is less than n. M is 3, n is 4. This m less than n. So satisfied. So correct answer is 3 comma 4, second option. Okay, students. Right.